Alrighty, now that I've got all my citrus cut in half, what I'm gonna start doing is using a sharp knife and very carefully, I'm gonna kind of come around the edges of each little pocket of pulp and just sort of, if not completely remove them, then I'm going to remove that top layer. So we're gonna start making indentations into our little pockets here. And don't worry if your fruit is pretty juicy. That just means it's gonna have an even better effect when we are done with this. All right, now that I've removed all the pulp from my fruit, I'm just gonna get a baking sheet here, and I'm gonna ever so gently just place my fruits onto the baking sheet. And now I'm gonna pop these in my oven at 200 degrees for about 20 minutes. While those are in the oven, I'm gonna grab my plain white towels from Walmart, and I'm gonna grab my little to-go containers here. I got some different colors of fabric paint, and I'm just gonna start squirting these into each one of my ramekins. Alrighty, I had my fruits in the oven for 20 minutes to dry them. And now what I'm gonna do, just grab one fruit to begin with and my paint color that I've chosen. And I am just gonna dip this ever so slightly into my paint, just like that. And I'm gonna start creating a pattern right here onto my towel. Because I'm making this in summer, I chose to do neon colors with a tropical theme. I am alternating colors for my different size fruits, lemons with pink, limes with orange, and I like to do the orange, which is the larger size, with this green. Make sure you have something to cover and protect your counter below or wherever you're choosing to paint. For your larger fruit, if it's not gonna fit into your paint, don't worry about it. I'm just gonna use a brush to apply my paint right onto my fruit, just like this. The grapefruit was the only one that was a little too big to go inside of my paint containers. This is a great activity to do with kids for the summer. You can use washable paints. You could do this on paper, doesn't have to be cloth, or you could choose to do this on an apron, a sweatshirt, any fun piece of clothing. Our beautiful pattern is covering the entire towel. Alrighty, y'all, it's time to see the final result. Isn't this gorgeous? Check out our beautiful patterns here. I really like the way the grapefruit came out. That's our largest shape. I used the paintbrush on that. I think, honestly, don't be afraid to get a lot of paint onto that piece of fruit. You could do a double stamp with that, a single stamp, but I think overall this color combination came out so beautiful, perfect for summer, and I can't wait to use this in my kitchen. You gotta try it.